What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Upgrade's Rewards Checking Plus account. Upgrade's Reward Checking Plus account allows you to earn up to 2% cash back on everyday debit card purchases with no monthly fees. By setting up a $1,000 monthly direct deposit, you can maximize this cashback earnings and qualify for the additional perks like early paycheck access and high-yield savings account option. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits. With Upgrade Rewards Checking Plus, you can earn up to 2% cash back on common everyday purchases like gas, groceries, restaurants, utilities, and more when you set up a monthly direct deposit of at least $1,000. This high cashback rate applies to purchases made at convenience or drugstores, gas stations, monthly subscriptions, restaurants, and utility or phone service providers. Even without the $1,000 direct deposit, you still earn 1% cash back on those categories. Unlike many traditional checking accounts, Upgrade Rewards Checking Plus has no monthly maintenance fees and no requirement to maintain a minimum balance. This allows you to avoid common checking account fees. If you have direct deposit set up with your employer or income source, the Upgrade Rewards Checking Plus account allows you to access your paycheck funds up to 2 days earlier than the scheduled pay date. This early access can provide valuable cash flow boost between pay periods. The early direct deposit capability essentially lets you skip the line and gain access to your money right when it arrives from your employer, rather than having to wait the typical 1 to 2 business days for funds to fully clear and become available in a standard checking account. Rewards Checking Plus customers can easily open an Upgrade Performance Savings account, earning 5.21% APY on balances when combined with the $1,000 monthly direct deposit. This high interest rate helps savings grow much faster than a typical bank savings account. In addition to the checking and savings account features, being an Upgrade Rewards Checking Plus customer can qualify you for discounted rates of 10 to 20% off on new personal loans or credit cards issued directly by Upgrade. Similarly, if you applied for one of Upgrade's credit card products like Upgrade Triple Cash Rewards Visa, having the Rewards Checking Plus account could make you eligible for a lower APR than Upgrade's standard rates for that credit card. Receiving lower rates on loans or credit cards can translate into meaningful savings over the life of those financial products compared to Upgrade's non-discounted pricing available to the general public. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. While you can earn up to 2% cash back on eligible purchases like gas, groceries, and dining with a $1,000 monthly direct deposit, there is an annual cap of $500 on the 2% cashback earnings. After reaching $500 in 2% cashback rewards in a calendar year, all further eligible purchases that year will only earn 1% cashback. This limits the total cashback you can accrue compared to an uncapped rewards program. To unlock the full benefits like a 2% cashback, 5.21% APY on performance savings, ATM fee reimbursements, and potential loan discounts, you must have an active account by setting up a recurring $1,000 monthly direct deposit. Without this $1,000 direct deposit, your cashback rate drops to 1% on eligible purchases and 0.5% on other purchases. The savings APY is only 1.5%, and you don't get ATM fee reimbursement or potential upgrade loans discounts. As an online-only financial account, Upgrade has no physical branch location for in-person service or cash transactions. This could be an inconvenience for those who prefer face-to-face banking or need to deposit or withdraw cash frequently. All account management and customer service is handled digitally or over the phone. In summary, the Upgrade Rewards Checking Plus account is a compelling option for earning high cash back rates on bills and everyday spending while avoiding common checking account fees, as long as you can meet the $1,000 monthly direct deposit requirement to maximize its benefits. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.